Soft strokes weaving stories there, each hue a feeling, a gentle prayer. When colors speak, they don't need words. A quiet song that's barely heard. They paint the sky, they warm the earth. When colors speak, they show their worth. The blue, it sighs like oceans deep. Green hums softly as forests sleep. A golden glow where shadows creep. In every stroke, a secret lies, a quiet truth that never dies. When colors speak, they don't need words. A quiet song that's barely heard. They paint the sky, they warm the earth. When colors speak, they show their worth. Red like the heartbeat of the day, gray like whispers that drift away. Each shade a voice, a tale to play.